Hey, what's up guys, Tricks is here, and in this video I will show you top secret tricks you never know existed on WhatsApp in 2021. So let's get started. If you don't want someone to see you read their message on WhatsApp, all you gotta do is go to setting, click on account, and then click on privacy. Once you click on it, disable read receipts. Keep in mind that you will also can see them if they read your message. So let's say you've texted your friend all night, and in the next day you want to find a specific word from the chat or a sentence. So all you gotta do is click on their profile and then click on chat search. And as you guys can see now, you can find any word or sentence from the chat. So the last trick is changing the wallpaper on the chat. Head over to message, click on their profile, scroll down until you see a wallpaper, and then change it to whatever you want. Or if you want to change the wallpaper for all of your contacts, go to setting and then click on chat and then change the chat wallpaper. So yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe and like this video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.